This video covers the basics for working with Jupyter notebooks in Watson Studio. Start in a Watson Studio project and add to the project a notebook. Just provide a name and a description. Then accept the default runtime environment or select a different runtime based on the programming language used in the notebook and the processing needs of the data volume and complexity of the computations. When you're ready, create the notebook and then wait while the notebook loads. Let's first load a file so that you have some data to work with. From the File's slide-out panel, browse to select the file. After the file is added to the project, it's available to work with in this notebook. Just click Insert to Code and insert a Pandas data frame. Before running the notebook, it's a best practice to insert a cell at the top to describe what the notebook does. Change the cell type to Markdown so this cell will not be treated as code, and then add the description. Now save the notebook. Now you're ready to run the notebook. The inserted code loads the dataset into a data frame and then displays the first 5 rows of the dataset. Before returning to the project, save a new version of the notebook. On the Assets tab, you'll find the notebook. If you open the notebook, it will be in read-only mode. But you can edit the notebook and make changes. For example, you can access the Info panel and change the name of the notebook. And on the Environment tab, you can change the environment used to run the notebook, as well as stop or restart the runtime environment. If you'd like to share a read-only version of the notebook, you can do that from here. You can select how much of the content you'd like to share and copy a link to the notebook. If you'd like to schedule the notebook to run at a different time, you can create a job. Just provide a name for the job and select the scheduling options, like specifying a date for the job to run and whether you'd like the job run to repeat. Then select the version of the notebook to run and a runtime environment. After you create and run the job, you can see the status on the Jobs tab in the project. Find more videos in the IBM Cloud Pak for Data Learning Center.